Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm here to show you a 3-bedroom detached chalet bungalow situated on a lovely turning in Upminster. Welcome to Cranham Gardens. The property is situated on 0.15 of an acre plot. The property benefits from a beautiful kitchen diner featuring integrated appliances, combined with 2 alternative reception rooms, creating the perfect entertainment space. The ground floor further offers 2 double bedrooms. The first floor is home to the master bedroom accompanied with an ensuite. To the rear of the property, you'll find your 73-foot unoverlooked garden with dual side access. Now that you've seen a snippet of this beautiful property online, make sure to give us a call as soon as possible to get yourself a viewing booked in. My name's Abby Miller, we are Balgors, and I look forward to showing you around here very soon.